Last year, Lucid chairman Andrew Liveris announced the company's plan to build a factory in Saudi Arabia by 2026. This investment aligns with the Saudi government's Vision 2030 plan to transform the country into a more diversified and modern economy, stimulating economic growth in non-oil sectors and creating jobs. With the global EV market projected to expand to over 39.2 million units by 2030, and the sector's value expected to exceed $1.1 trillion by 2030. It's clear why oil states like Saudi Arabia are looking to diversify their economies away from oil. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss the bombastic news of Saudi Arabia's investment fund, Public Investment Fund, buying Lucid Motors. Let us first look at the renowned company of Lucid Motors itself. Lucid Motors is an American electric vehicle company founded in 2007 under the name Ativa. The company was initially focused on developing electric drivetrains and energy storage systems for other vehicle manufacturers, but later shifted its focus to producing its own electric vehicles. Their flagship model is the Lucid Air, which has been praised for its luxurious design, impressive performance, and long-range capabilities. In terms of achievements, Lucid Motors has made significant progress in the electric vehicle industry. The company has secured several significant investments, including a $1 billion investment. The company has also successfully merged with a special purpose acquisition company, SPAC, called Churchill Capital Corp. 4, which helped them raise $4.4 billion in funding. One of Lucid's most notable achievements is its production efficiency. The company has managed to achieve an impressive production rate of up to 85 vehicles per hour at their factory, which is significantly higher than the industry average. They have also achieved a record-breaking efficiency of 4.5 miles per kilowatt-hour (kWh) of energy, which is the highest ever recorded for a production electric vehicle. Lucid Motors has made significant strides in the electric vehicle industry and has positioned itself as a strong competitor to established players such as Tesla. With a strong focus on innovation, design, and production efficiency, the company is poised to continue making significant contributions to the industry in the years to come. Although right now, Lucid is bleeding money and is incurring a loss on every car sold. They are even offering discounts to customers for confirming the order and paying the balance. Reports circulated last year stating that customers received daily calls encouraging them to pay the balance of their orders, and even offering discounts if they paid early. The company has cut its planned 2022 production to just 7,000 vehicles from 22,000, but will only hit 65% of its lower target. Their goal is to produce 90,000 cars in 2023 unless something changes. They expect to revise these numbers significantly. If the Public Investment Fund buys them, it will give them a solid financial footing and enough runway to expand their production facilities, improve their brand reputation, and turn things around. The Lucid Air, the company's flagship electric vehicle, has received positive reviews for its luxurious detail and finishing. In fact, popular EV reviewer Mark Brownlee even released a review titled Lucid Air: How to One-Up Tesla, praising the Lucid Air's longer range, faster charging, more horsepower, and stickier tires. However, while Lucid has seen success in terms of product quality, it has a long way to go to achieve the production quantity and profit margins of industry leader Tesla. Tesla, with 5 gigafactories across the globe, produced over 1.3 million vehicles in 2022 and is projected to produce over 2 million cars in 2023. The company has unrivaled profit margins, making 4.4 times more profit per car than its closest competitor, General Motors. In comparison, Lucid Motors has a long way to go to achieve these numbers and will require a backer with enough funding to propel them into the same category as Tesla. And now, Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund enters the picture. With Lucid in its portfolio, Saudi Arabia is interested in ensuring the company succeeds and can challenge itself to become a leader in the EV industry. And with an unlimited budget as a public investment fund portfolio company, Lucid Motors has an ace up its sleeve to compete with Tesla. Saudi Arabia has also invested in many other sectors. Saudi Arabia has been investing heavily in various industries to diversify its economy away from oil. which has been the country's primary source of income for decades. As part of the Vision 2030 plan, the Saudi government has set a goal of reducing the country's dependence on oil exports and promoting growth in non-oil sectors. One of the significant investments made by Saudi Arabia is in the tourism industry. The government has invested heavily in developing new tourist destinations and infrastructure to attract more tourists to the country. In 2019, the country opened the first phase of a new mega-tourism project, the Red Sea Project, which aims to create a luxury tourism destination in the western part of the country. In addition to investing in the automotive industry, Saudi Arabia is also increasing its presence in the gaming sector. The country's public investment fund has made significant investments in gaming companies, including acquiring a 33% stake in Japanese game developer SNK and investing $1.8 billion in Epic Games. Another sector where Saudi Arabia has invested heavily is technology. The country has set up a $500 billion smart city project called NEOM, which aims to create a new model for sustainable living and drive innovation in technology and other sectors. Saudi Arabia has also established a national program to support startups, intending to create a thriving ecosystem for entrepreneurship and innovation. In addition, Saudi Arabia has invested in the healthcare sector, with plans to establish a world-class healthcare system in the country. The government has announced several initiatives to improve healthcare services, including building new hospitals and clinics and investing in medical research and development. Overall, Saudi Arabia's investments in various industries are part of a much broader strategy to promote economic diversification and to reduce the country's reliance on oil exports. The investment in Lucid Motors is a significant step towards establishing a foothold in the growing electric vehicle market and positioning the country as a leader in the industry. So what are the potential reasons why Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, PIF, may be interested in buying Lucid Motors? Firstly, the PIF has a mandate to stimulate economic growth and create jobs in non-oil sectors as part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 plan to diversify its economy. Investing in Lucid Motors, a promising electric vehicle (EV) manufacturer, could potentially help achieve this goal. The global EV market is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, and Saudi Arabia may see an opportunity to become a significant player in the industry. Additionally, the trend towards banning the sale of gas and diesel-powered cars in several countries and states may be a factor in the PIF's interest in Lucid Motors. With many governments pushing for a shift towards zero-emission vehicles, investing in an EV company could position Saudi Arabia for success in this new market. Furthermore, Lucid Motors' impressive product, the Lucid Air, has received positive reviews for its luxury and performance. With an unlimited budget as a public investment fund portfolio company, the PIF may see potential in supporting Lucid Motors to develop further and scale its operations. It is also worth noting that the PIF already has a track record of investing in other EV companies such as Tesla. In fact, the PIF acquired a 5% stake in Tesla in 2019, which may indicate a continued interest in the EV industry. In summary, it seems that the PIF's interest in Lucid Motors could be driven by a desire to stimulate economic growth and diversify the economy, capitalize on the growing global EV market, and support a promising EV manufacturer with an impressive product. However, there are still questions about whether or not Lucid will survive in the competitive EV market. With the backing of Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund and a CEO who previously worked at Tesla, Lucid has the potential to make strides in the industry. So what are your thoughts on the recent news? Do you think Lucid Motors will be able to challenge Tesla's dominance in the EV market using the help of Saudi Arabia? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for the latest EV and tech news. Thanks for watching.